Just about 7:15 this Sunday morning, taking a live look right now over Northeast Harbor. Beautiful sunrise out there.
I know, look how nice it looks.
Yeah.
I mean, there's some clouds out there, but still some sun peeking through.
Exactly, yeah.
Not gonna
Good
be
morning.
that way a little. Oh, this looks nice. Well, this is a little cloudier, but still pretty.
Yeah, still pretty, still pretty. Settle for that.
Yeah, I'm ready for a nap.
I know.
I got sleep
You
last
got
night.
sleep last night. That's what's weird. Is sometimes it feels like the more sleep you get on this shift, the more tired you are.
Yeah, it
Does
makes
anybody
no
else
sense.
get like that? I don't know. I've had that in regular life too, waking up at a normal time. I think it's the adrenaline about not sleeping.
Science.
No, it doesn't make
I
sense.
have
scientifically.
absolutely no clue, but it is, yeah. See, do you like sleeping during the rain?
Yes.
So take a nap this afternoon.
Okay.
That's
That
a
was
good
a
story.
great transition.
I really did that one today. I really thought I did something, and sometimes I do. But as you go through your day today, we are going to start to see some rain and some snow popping into the forecast. Just going to depend on where you live for that one as to what you're going to get. Now, a lot of the southeast and the mid-Atlantic regions starting to get some rain as we continue through that point in time. We look a little bit closer where you see Buffalo, Toronto. They're getting some snow right now, and then some rain staying a little bit further south. This general kind of split is what we're going to see for a lot of us today. So we aren't all going to get rain or snow. It's just kind of going to depend on where you are. Right now, this morning, as we go through the next few hours, we're going to start to see some snow up in the mountains. So you guys will get the first bit of everything as we move through. From there in your afternoon, we'll start to see some rain staying more so along the coastline as temperatures are just a bit warmer, getting into around 40 by even this afternoon. This is looking a little bit more dramatic. It's not going to be the most major eventful snowfall or rainfall, excuse me, that we have moving through. Just more so some showers or even just a light sprinkle at times. So I wouldn't worry too much about that. A little bit further north, when you pass Lewiston, Augusta, Bangor, Waterville, that's where the snow starts to be what you're getting in the forecast instead. So it will be a bit different if you live a little farther north. You'll get that snowfall, but everyone wrapping up overnight. By the time we start off tomorrow, it won't look quite the same, and we'll have a lack of snow and rain to start off your Monday morning. Now, totals for this are not that dramatic by any means, especially compared to where we've been. Northern Maine getting about 3 to 6 inches. Some areas could get a little bit more if you're a little bit higher up, but for the most part, we should stick with 3 to 6. Coastline is not really getting anything, so there's no totals for that, just going to be rain instead. And then somewhere in between, and that somewhere is again where we have Lewiston, Augusta, Bangor. That's where it's going to be just a trace of snow up to about 3 inches. So again, nothing that's crazy compared to where we've been. We've had a lot more recently. This is just something for a lot of people to make everything look a little bit nicer as you head out. Now, temperatures right now are sticking in the low 20s for a lot of people across the state. Calais, you guys, the coolest this morning around 17 degrees. But we're all going to start to get a lot cooler here as we go through the week, going from around 40 for the high temperatures, sliding down into the 20s by the middle of the week. And as we look a little bit further ahead, yeah, we're going to start to have high temperatures right around 0 for some people this weekend, and by some people I mean all of us. So it really is going to start to cool off quite a bit more here as we go through the next week. Luckily, coming along with that, if you like the sunshine, I got good news for you. We're going to have the sun coming back out somewhat as we go through the week here, so it should be pretty good on that home front. We're also going to see it staying a bit breezy for your day on Friday. So as temperatures start to slide, it'll be breezy, lowering your feels like temperatures even more. So that is going to make it feel just all the colder as we go to this week ahead. Now, the same general story for the coast, obviously just a few more degrees on that one because they're just a bit farther south. But overall, a colder week coming up. Chloe's very excited for -4 in the morning, -12.
Yeah, can you tell?
I'm so excited
Just
for
when
it.
it gets below 0, it's so cold out. I don't know.
And windy.
Yeah, that's what adds to it. It's just the wind makes it kind of unbearable.
Yeah, the wind is going to be what flies me to South Carolina. So
yeah, you'll be out of here. You don't have to worry about it. Oh well.
It's going to be raining the
Have
whole time
fun.
up there, though. I'm
Right.
leaving the sunshine here and taking the rain with me.
Exactly. All right. Thank you, Erin.